In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google's free monthly budget template in Google Sheets. This is a great tool to help you manage your finances more effectively and easily keep track of your expenses and income. Let's get started by opening up Google Sheets. Once you're there, you'll want to click on the File menu in the top left corner. From the drop-down list, select New, and then from Template Gallery. What you're doing here is accessing a variety of ready-made templates. These templates are designed to make your life easier by providing structures for a range of tasks, and they're especially useful for budgeting. Now, when the Template Gallery opens, you'll see a lot of options laid out before you. Go ahead and scroll down until you find the Monthly Budget template. Click on it, and voila! You now have access to a free, comprehensive budget template designed by Google. This template is thoughtfully structured to guide you through the budgeting process without the hassle of setting up the framework yourself. Let's take a closer look at it. You'll notice Google includes instructions on how to use the template effectively. These guidelines are straightforward, yet they're crucial for maintaining the functionality of the template. One of the first tasks you'll have is to set your starting balance. This will be done in cell L8. It's an important step because it gives you a baseline to track your expenses for the month. A word of caution: Google's instructions clearly advise you to avoid altering any cells containing formulas. These formulas are critical to automatically calculate totals and summaries throughout your budgeting process. Tinkering with them might disrupt the automated features that make this template so convenient. Instead, you'll focus on editing the highlighted cells, which are designed for your input. Now, let's navigate to the Transactions sheet. Here, you'll begin by entering your actual transactions, both income and expenses, as they occur throughout the month. This part of the template is where you actively engage with your budgeting process. Each transaction should be recorded promptly to ensure your budget reflects up-to-date financial data. By regularly updating this sheet, you essentially breathe life into your budget. This is where the dynamic aspect of the budget comes into play. You're not just passively observing, you're actively managing your financial resources. Keep in mind that using this template regularly can develop into a beneficial habit that empowers you to have a greater command over your finances. In summary, by following these simple steps, you'll effectively leverage Google's monthly budget template to keep track of your financial landscape. It's straightforward, adaptable, and, most importantly, useful. Make sure to take full advantage of the preset features and stick to the highlighted areas for all your entries. Happy budgeting!